NCLEX, IELTS, OET, CBT, and OSCE. Nurse Mary, what is the difference? Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as a nurse with the difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. I have been getting messages from my students in regards to the difference between NCLEX, what is IELTS, what is OET, what is OSCE, and what is CBT. And I decided to make a video on it for them to get a better understanding and be able to differentiate these terms and what it's being used for. So if you are a nursing student and if you are a nurse wondering about what this mean or what this is actually talking about, this video is for you. But before we go into details, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, from all our returning subscribers, this is we saying thank you. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be clarifying and explaining in briefly, not in details, briefly, these various terms, what they mean and what they are used for. The first one is NCLEX. What is NCLEX? NCLEX simply means National Council Licensure Examination. You can see it on the screen, National Council Licensure Examination. It is actually for nurses that are planning to work in Australia, Canada, and USA. This is a requirement that you have to meet up with for you to work as a registered nurse in these countries. Though NCLEX is not written in most parts of Africa, but it is a compulsory requirement for you to practice as a registered nurse in these three countries I just listed. I know NCLEX is written in United Kingdom, it is written in South Africa, it is written in Philippines, and it is written in India, I think. Yeah, so it is written in this country and some other countries. So it is an exam that you have to pass if you will you practice as a registered nurse in where? In USA, that's United States of America, in Canada, and in Australia. Then the second term is IELTS. What is IELTS? What is OET? IELTS is International English Language Testing System. International English Language Testing System. While OET is Occupational English Test. Occupational English Test. So both OET and IELTS are exams that you have to write to test your English competences, to test if you are capable. They want to test your level of knowledge before you are able to function as a nurse, because you are going to an English speaking country. Before they allow you come to this English speaking country, they have to test your English knowledge. They have to test your competencies when it comes to English. So if you are planning to travel to UK and practice as a nurse, you are planning to travel to USA and practice as a nurse, you have to pick between IELTS and OET to take, because within these two, when you pass, you'll be able to do some other things. But without IELTS and OET, you can't. IELTS and what? OET. They are English competencies exams. So it's just for you to pick between OET and IELTS. So I get a question, I normally get questions in regards to, oh, Nurse Miss Mary, what do you advise? Which one should I take? So what I normally tell them is, pick the one that you feel your pocket can afford and work towards writing it to achieve the required score, the required band. That is what I advise, because IELTS is cheaper, far cheaper than OET. It is far cheaper than OET. But most feedback I get, most people say that OET is simpler, it's easier to pass. And there's no research about it too, but this is what most population of people I get, what they tell me. They say OET is simpler, but it's more expensive. So it all depends on the one you might carry. You can write it and pass, and it depends on your pocket and how you're able to raise the finance. But for me personally, I took the IELTS exams, and I believe you can also take it. Then the other term is CBT. CBT as a computer-based test. CBT simply means computer-based test. For us in Nigeria and some other Africans and Indians, I think so. For us in Nigeria, let me use myself as an example so like don't assume. CBT is an exam you write in Nigeria, the computer-based NMC exam you write in Nigeria to practice in the UK as a registered nurse. So it's part of the requirement. They're trying to test if you have the required nursing skills. So you can write the CBT in Nigeria. When you pass, you can come over to the UK and take your OSCE exam. So CBT is just like computer-based test. It's an NMC, nursing and midwifery cancel exam based test which you can write in your country, then come to UK and take the OSCE. The last term now is OSCE. What is OSCE? I believe most students are familiar with OSCE because OSCE is what we have written in our schools to become nurses in our various countries. So OSCE's full meaning simply means objective structured clinical examination. Objective structured clinical examination. It's more or less like a practical. You practicalize. They want to see how you are able to take care of a patient. They want to see your skills. They want to see how you are able to attend to your patient. They want to see how you show empathy. They want to see how you stand at the gap for your patient with these skills. So OSCE is usually written in UK and not in your country. It's a practical exam that finally qualifies you as a registered nurse in the UK. So I think I dropped a video about my OSCE experience on my YouTube channel. You can also watch that if you want to know. So OSCE is objective structured clinical examination, and it is practical based. To test how you're able to assess your patient, how you're able to plan your patient's care, how you're able to evaluate your patient's care, how you're able to create your objective, how you're able to do some minor skills like wound dressing, how you're able to do some minor skills like taking vitals. They just want to test you and know you how competent you are. So I hope these terms are being clarified and explained so you know and don't get confused between both terms. IELTS, NCLEX, OET, CBT, OSCE, they are all different things entirely. All right, now you know the difference between IELTS, CBT, NCLEX, OSCE, and all that. So the next thing is to decide, am I ready to travel out of the country or not? Do I really want to? If you really want to travel out of this country, I believe you need guidance, you need help. That is why Nurses Lecture Room is available to help you out, to help you guide you through the journey of exploring international opportunity. So the first thing we'll have to do for you is to prepare you for the IELTS or OET exams. So if you're having challenges, you don't have anybody to prepare you for these exams, you can send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so that we can help you prepare for your IELTS and OET exams effectively well, and also guide you through on how to make applications when it comes to becoming a UK registered nurse. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Miss Mary saying thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.